Do you want to have a better jawline? Do you want to wake up with a full head of hair when you normally look like me? Do you want to wake up looking more handsome, prettier? Well, watch this scammy video. Anyway, I'm sure if you've seen these titles before in videos, some of you get hooked into it or wrapped up into the whole thing that's actually possible to go to sleep like this and then waking up looking like Brad Pitt. Okay, it's just, I don't know how people have gone on for all these years making these types of videos of how to wake up looking more handsome, how to wake up with a better jawline, how to wake up with a better hairline, all these ridiculous things that I just don't get why people buy into that. But I want to share with you my opinion as somebody who's actually, this is the funny thing that you have to take note of, is I've actually worked on clients, human beings, for over 30 years, creating haircuts on them to make them look as best as I possibly can. So as somebody who is not just some guy, random guy with good looks and good hair, you know, I've actually dedicated most of my life to a career that is made to help people look and feel good. So I'll share with you my opinion on what you're going to wake up looking like if you're a normal human being. You're going to wake up looking like the exact same way you did when you went to sleep. Okay? Unless you have tons of makeup on, you take the makeup off, you wake up, you have no makeup. You know, your hair may be a little more messy, you may have bedhead. Okay? You're not going to wake up with a stronger jawline. You're not going to wake up with a full set of veneers. You're not going to wake up with, like, you know, blue eyes when you have brown eyes. All these ridiculous videos about how to do that. It's tricking people into something. I don't know what the hell it is. But my opinion on if you want to make changes with your appearance, specifically your hair, because I'm not a plastic surgeon. I'm not going to talk to you about how to get stronger jawlines and all that, or veneers, or hair transplants. If you want to wake up and you want to feel better about yourself, or you want to just live day to day feeling good about your hair, your appearance, things like that, the first thing that I would suggest, and think of it this way. Imagine if you were to start, working out and you find a personal trainer. You both have goals in mind. You may show a picture saying, I want a physique like this. I want to be jacked and ripped and this and that, whatever it is you want to look like. That personal trainer is going to work with you and give you a full coaching plan if you find the right person, okay? And also my son does that. If you're interested, Stephen Gabriel Fitness, Stephen Gabriel Fitness. Look him up on Instagram, YouTube, and he literally transforms people's lives. And he's somebody who won first and second place in a natural physique competition. I witnessed him transform his body. And what he does for people is he takes them on that journey to help them feel better about themselves. He doesn't make YouTube videos on how to wake up with bigger biceps, okay? So look him up on Instagram, Stephen Gabriel Fitness. His name is Steven, Coach Steve. Just let him know that I sent you. Just be like, oh my God, the salon guy, Anyway, he's my son, so very proud of him. But like both of us, we've dedicated our lives for the most part to making people feel better and look better. So you need to build that relationship with the professional that you are going to for your hair. Now, will you find that when you go into a barber shop and they charge $12 for a haircut and you're in and out in 3 minutes and all they use is clippers? That may be a little more difficult, okay? And vice versa, if you want to have, super skin tight fades and the sharpest this, sharpest that, chances are you're not going to go to a salon who specializes in doing roller sets on women in their 80s, okay? So you need to find that professional who you can pair yourself up with to create that goal to look better and feel better as your hair is growing out. Again, since my specialty is more hair, that's what I'm going to talk to you about. If you want to have a goal of, less wrinkles, we'll find a skincare professional that you can use certain skin creams, or you want to have this, whatever it is, you find that expert in that specific category. So with hair, you need to really, really have a clear understanding of what style you want, what's going to make you happy, and then find the person that can do it. So you're going to wake up knowing, oh my God, even though I, have no makeup on today, or I have my hair is like bedhead, well, I'm going to take a shower, wash my hair, style it, and because I have an awesome haircut, awesome hair products, I'm going to feel good about myself. So as somebody who really, again, I'm not somebody who made myself famous from just having good looks and good hair like a lot of other YouTubers. That's great for them. But I'm somebody who dedicated their life to people, right? And I even did, 6-year service. I've put my life on the line, and I served, I did police, I did fire, law enforcement, all this stuff. And my whole life has basically been dedicated to people, helping people. So don't be tricked or fooled by these videos of all this nonsense. I mean, it is what it is. But I just wanted to share with you, if you're looking for a different, more realistic approach to feel confident, it's not just about like going to and shopping at H&M, okay? There's a lot more to it. So let me know in the comments below, if you find this video somewhat inspirational. My goal is not make anyone upset, this and that. I'm just trying to be real with you all. I'm a friggin' bald guy who posts hair videos on YouTube, for God's sakes. I don't roll around in these, flashy cars and doing house tours every 5 minutes and showing this lavish lifestyle when you all are wondering, what do I do for work? Like, have you ever seen people like that? Like, how are they so rich and famous when all they do is post yoga videos all day, and like, what do they actually do? It's pretty transparent of what I do and how I dedicate myself to my business, my brand, and also to you viewers. So let me know in this video if you maybe get re-inspired, because I want this to re-inspire you, and I want you to feel good about how you look and and all that stuff. So thank you all for watching, and I appreciate any sort of feedback. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.